Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max user have a facing an issue that their sent it iMessage video look like a blue screen. If they send a video to someone via iMessage, receiver get that video but it look like blue screen. They can hear the audio but there is no video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. I'm not using iPhone 12, but I have a solution for this problem. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, go to settings, tap general, tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Enable airplane mode and disable it. For that, launch settings, enable airplane mode, lock your iPhone, wait for a minute, unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press the side button until we see the Apple logo to force restart iPhone 12. Solution number 4. Reset network settings. This process will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN setting and cellular setting. For that, go to settings, tap general, then tap reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 5. Turn off and turn on iMessage. For that, launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on messages, turn off iMessage, restart your iPhone and after restart, turn on iMessage. Solution number 6. Check for software update. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general, tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 7. Reset all settings. Reset all settings will reset your all customized settings to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings on iPhone, go to settings, then tap general, tap reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.